I'm Karen Feinerman, and this is your Fast Money Trade School. Feel like you're getting lost at sea in the stock market? One tip to find your way: follow the whales, Wall Street's most powerful investors. These heavy hitters have to disclose their biggest holdings. Just check out a 13F form filed quarterly to see what Buffett or Icahn have been buying. But before you dive in head first, remember, even whales can get beached. Class dismissed.
I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. I'm a whale watcher. Are you? Does this market have you down? Well, then let's do some Wall Street whale watching. Hello, I'm Brian Mckeon, partner at the JMB FLP. Today we'll be reviewing numbers 41 through 45 of my list of the 100 top traders. Today we'll be reviewing, Tontine Partners, More Capital, Tontine Associates, Jana Partners, and Cooperman. Now, this strategy has done so well for me. In the most recent CNBC tournament, I finished in the top 3% with returns of over 53%. Also, you can see how it's done for me in past tournaments as well. Now, what I would merely do is get holdings from the richest, most successful investors out there, and I find their plays on such free websites as Stock Picker, The Motley Fool Caps, and Kovner. Then I get an average analyst ranking through these free websites. Now, of course, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of February 27, 2009. Now, first we look on Cooperman. He had Teva, ConocoPhillips, DVA, 3M, Mo, NUE, and Oracle. All those come in as a moderate buy this week. Next, we move on to Jana Partners. He had CPRT, CSX, and Oracle. All those come in as a moderate buy this week. Also, you move on to, Caxton Associates. He had Procter & Gamble, AT&T, Coca-Cola, and Mo of his portfolio. All those rank a moderate buy at this time. Next, we move on to More Capital. We had Apple, Coca-Cola, Potash, and Terra. All of those come in as moderate buys this week. Next, we move on to, Tontine Partners, and FWLT and TRA come in as moderate buys this week. Of course, you can see that of the strong buys, we have none, and of the moderate buys, we have Teva, Procter & Gamble, AT&T, Apple, ConocoPhillips, CPRT, CSX, DVA, Foster Wheeler, Coca-Cola, 3M, Mo, NUE, Oracle, Potash, and Terra coming in as moderate buys. Of course, I'd like to remind you that all analyst recommendations are as of February 27, 2009. And what we merely did is put these into the appropriate website, Stock Picker, and got an average analyst ranking through these sites. So if you'd like a more up-to-date, you could merely do that yourself. And on to the disclaimer. Disclaimer, I am not a licensed investment advisor, and the investments I am showing you today, what I'm doing from my friends and family's accounts. Also, I am not affiliated with any of the websites used to determine these rankings. And I currently own shares of Berkshire Hathaway and Coca-Cola. So again, this is Brian Mckeon from the JMB FLP saying thank you and see you next time, folks. I'm a whale watcher.